Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today let's go over a premium medium database question that I just solved on my own. So I'm really happy about this, and I'm glad that I was able to come up with my own solution to this question without any assistance. So let me show you how I did it. This question is called Bank Account Summary number 1555, and what they're asking you to do is to basically for each person see what their ending balance is, and then if they're below zero or not. Yes, no. Pretty straightforward. So they start with this, and this guy obviously subtract 400, this guy plus 400, subtract 500 from 3, plus 500 to 2, subtract 200 from 2, plus 200 to 1, and that's the person. So this transacted on date I found doesn't even matter. So let's go ahead and do it. So let's first get the credited amount of each person. So let's call this default dictive list, because we're going to be adding, so minus 400 to 1 and then 400 to 3. That's how I did it. So for u it enumerates users user ID, so d of u dot append users credit of I. That's the starting one, right? So now we can go through the transactions table. Let's say paid by, and we can say d of whoever that paid by was. We're going to append negative transactions amount of I, okay, because we're subtracting, and then to the paid to person, transactions paid to of I, we're going to append the positive version of that, just the normal, just T, or transactions amount of I. Okay, so then let's loop through this dictionary and let's see what we have. Cool. So if the total sum is below 0, then it's yes, otherwise no. So let's say total is sum of dk. So if total is less than 0, then let's create an answer list. So first we want to map the name, so the user ID to the name. Let's go ahead and create another dictionary. Let's call this name. So we can just say name of the user ID, which is u, to the username, user name of I, that particular cell. And then we can say answer.append. So we want the ID and then the name, so k, and then name of k. So this is the key in that dictionary to map to that value, and then the credit would just be the total value, and then the credit limit breach would be yes because this is below 0. Otherwise, then it's going to be no, right? Total and then no. So let's print answer. Cool. So that looks correct. Okay. So it says here we can return the result table in any order. So just create 4 empty lists for each column. Three, 4, then create an empty data frame. Set user ID equal to 1. Username to 2. Credits, just following this, to 3, and then credits limit breached equal to 4. Okay, then let's return that data frame and let's run this. Okay, missing one. Run this. Submit it. And there you go. Passes all test cases. So again, I'm really glad that I was able to come up with my own solution to this question without any assistance and solve it on my own. And also the runtime and memory are 100%. So I'm also very happy about that, as that's usually not the case for solutions that I come up with on my own. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more.